It is hereby declared that the production of the said content is meant for non-commercial, scholastic, and research purposes only. We admit that some of the content or the images provided in this channel's video may be obtained through the routine Googling and searches, and few of them may be under copyright protection. Such usage is completely inadvertent. It is quite possible that we overlook to give full scholarly credit to the copyright owners. We believe that the non-commercial, only for educational use of the material may allow the video in question fall under fair use of such content. However, we honor the copyright holders' rights and the video should be deleted from our channel in case of any such claim received by us or reported to us. Okay, class. So today, okay, so we are only 10 participants now, and today it's time for Manal, Deepak, Mihir, Dhanraj, Nancy, and Harshad to present their business plan. Deepak, it's time to present your business plan. So I hope you and your group is ready.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so please invite all your group members and start your business plan. Over to you, Deepak. Yeah, so your group members are Manal, Deepak, Mihir, Dhanraj, Nancy, and Harshad. Total 6 members are there, right? 2, 4, 6.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. So yeah, you may continue and let only 8 slides are there.
Yes, sir.
It seems very short. You need to elaborate in detail so others can get the actual idea of your business. Yeah, please continue.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Deepak Tuchar, and I introduce you to our presentation business plan. There is a 6 members: Chuchar Deepak, Kankal Dhanraj, Undavya Mihir, Lakkad Harshad, Chapla Manal, Sakaria Nancy. And I introduce to you our business plan. Change the slide. Our industry name is Krishna Pure Vegetables. Our company name is Krishna. We give undulated vegetable to the client. Are you probably are aware the corona infection has spread in the entire country. There is a lot of inquiry at the top of priority list of women. This is an inquiry that you are purchasing of the vegetable that is clean or not. Presently, get it all the clean vegetable. Also, all women will purchase vegetables. Vegetables that are sent straightforwardly from farm to the shop. Right now, we give clean vegetable in Corona. In case, in any event, when Corona is gone, individuals will, any case, request to the clean vegetables. So we have opened the organization of these vegetables. It incorporates individuals fulfillment solid vegetables. The price of vegetables will depend on the market. And next slide next slide explain the Nancy.
Manufacturing. Planting vegetables in an empty fields in manufacturing. When it is fully grown, it should be taken down by laborers and care should be taken that no damage is done to its crop. Then he sent the unloaded vegetable to the company's godown. There he washed it in the same some waters and put it in a box. Then put it in a stockroom. Then sent it all the all, all to the shop together. This process must continue. Just plant and share. Increased production or success. Production can be increased by spraying different type of drugs in it. Next slide explains Dhanraj.
So maybe Dhanraj is not there.
Call him and tell him to join quickly, otherwise he will get 0 marks.
Yes, sir.
By the time he joins, others can continue. You keep this slide separate for him.
Okay, change the slide then see. Advertisement. Advertising is the best way to communicate to the customer. Advertising helps and informs to the customer about the brand available in market and the variety of the product useful them. Advertisement can be done many ways. Newspaper, magazine, radio, television, online platform, companies making company card and making poster. We will put up the poster of company so that people we can more attractive. We will also give the company card to customer along with the vegetables so that we there will be advertised among the people and in the market. We are marketing online platform for advertisement in the WhatsApp, Instagram and Facebook. We will set up the banner of the organization to so that individual be more applying the people. Thank you. And the next slide is to the Manal.
Advantages. In such corona era, people will buy more goods, vegetables, people will buy bulk goods. Next slide, please.
Disadvantages. Damage to the ocean from a harm like downpour, typhoons, and so forth. Vegetables planted in the field are ruined. Thank you.
Selling slide is explained, Dhanraj. I explained the selling slides. The vegetables from the godown should be stored in the shop. The shop should be more crowded so the customer will be attracted to the green vegetables. Joy and the changes of talking vegetables increase retails. Distribution is not only ongoing but also wholesale distribute in the shop. For example, they can buy food item kept in a wedding occasion in bulk that contract for example. At present, there are shops only in some criteria, but as soon as success is achieved, shops should be opened in the cities to increase sales. Thank you.
Yeah, now show me your faces one by one. Then I will ask few questions and few doubts. It's not up to the mark. Yes,
Mir is absent. Medical
just a
problem.
minute. Let me note it down. Mihir is absent.
Yes, sir.
one by one, please. Okay, Manal, now show me your face. Now you may turn off.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
yeah. You may turn off your presentation. Okay, Deepak. Okay, Mihir is absent, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then Dhanraj,
Dhanraj is there but not response.
he is there in session.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Dhanraj, kindly unmute yourself and speak something, otherwise your absent will be considered. You have joined session, you are in session, it means there is no network issues. If any network issues are there, then you will be logged out automatically from the session. But you are there in the session, it means there is no network issue. It may be possible that there may be voice cracking issue, but you can easily hear me. You can easily see the things that your group members have presented presentation, and you are part of that. But then also, if you are not contributing anything, you will be rewarded 0. Let me write in the chat box. If you are not able to hear, then you can see the message that I have clearly written. Kindly revert. Okay, Nancy. Okay, and Harshad. Okay. Now my question is that why this much, it's a very short presentation. There is no SWOT analysis, there is no competitors analysis, there is no financial statements, there is no proper strategy, there is no proper explanation. Why so? This is not up to the mark. Kindly give me your excuses. Yes, I have asked something. It was not up to the mark. It's full of, like we can say it's only 30%. I want explanation for this.
Sorry, sir, for that.
No, that's fine. I'm not, disappointing you guys, but your performance was not up to the mark. Why so? In spite of giving almost 2 months or more than that, then also if you are unable to do, or if you are able to do like this only, it's of no use. इनसे तो अच्छा होता कि आप presentation ही नहीं देते. The 8 slides that you guys have represented, it's actually not up to the mark. What should I say? The 10 points that I have also explained in the business plan, format of business plan, at least that 10 points should be there. Why so? Who has prepared this?
All
Who
of,
has
sir.
prepared this? Speak loudly little bit.
All of, sir.
Okay, what was the contribution of your group members? Nancy, what was your contribution in this?
Disadvantages.
So how you defined it? Disadvantages. Manal and Harshad, what was your role? Manal, what was
Advantage, sir.
advantages? Okay, good. How you decided advantages? Harshad, what was your role, your contribution?
Advertisement, sir.
So how you are going to advertise your product?
We are going to the online market and online platform and make it banner and make it card to so the customer give the and advertise our product vegetables.
Okay, good, good. I appreciate. Now, what was the costing for that? How much amount you require for such types of marketing?
Sir, amount is the uh, give for the online marketing like
How much land you required? What type of crop, or you can say the vegetables you are going to plant? What will be your daily production, or you can say the crop? What will be your costing? Facts it. It's totally vague.
Sir, we have land and over six partnerships.
Okay, now do one thing. Uh, Someone call Dhanraj just for the last time, and then we'll conclude.
Yes, sir.
Okay, we'll wait for next 2 minutes. If Dhanraj replies, otherwise mail will be count as absent, and Dhanraj will get 0 marks. That's final. And by the time, please be online. Yeah, time is over for Dhanraj. Please be online. Now the next presentation will be of Prince, Keval, Ronak, Urvish and Anand, and the date will be 20th April. Please note it down, or else those who are known to them, their friends, please inform them that their presentation will be on 20th April. These are from classroom B. 21st April for this group. Dhruvit, Parshva, Devesh, Vijay C and Lala Wak. For them, the presentation date will be 21st April. Then after, Chhatrapal, Harshraj, Divyaraj, Kuldeep, Nishil and Kushal. Your presentation date will be 22nd April. You are requested to please note this down on a serious note. Those who are not present in this session, I request their friends to do so and inform them. You can also take a screenshot for the same, because you guys are quite smart in taking screenshots. So you can also take the screenshot for the same and inform your friends if they are not present right now. This will be the presentation dates in the next week. Now, apart from this, please be online. Let me share the statistics with you. Please be online. Total 64 students have registered their name for presentation, for business plan presentation in a different group. Total 64 names has been registered with me. Now what about the remaining students? Whether they would like to give presentation or not? As presentation is a rubrics, compulsory part of your rubrics. So what about that remaining 16 students? Class, am I audible to you?
Yes, sir, you're audible.
Okay. So what about the remaining students? If they don't want to give presentation, then kindly give me in writing that we are not ready to give presentations, and whatever the consequences will be there, we are ready to accept it. I am sharing this on serious note. I want some answers from you guys. Please be online. I'm going to share the sheets with you, attendance sheet, or you can say the total number of students list.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yes, very good afternoon. Yes, Nishant. Please note down the group names, group members' name and the presentation date. Again, I am repeating the same. Prince, Keval, Ronak, Urvish and Anand. Your presentation date will be 20th April. Dhruvit, Parshva, Deves, Vijaysi, Lalavag. Your date will be 21st April. Then Chhatrapal, Harsraj, Divyaraj, Kuldeep, Mishil and Khushal. Your date will be 22nd April. And if apart from these names, any students are still not submitted their names to the Divyesh Kumar or to the Priyadarshini, Please submit it by today itself on urgent basis. I request Divyesh Kumar and Priyadarshini to spread this message among both the divisions, Division A and Division B, on the immediate basis. Yeah, I can understand, Brian. I got your point. But then also, the one who has not submitted their name, they must be aware that I have not submitted, he has not submitted. And for the general instructions, for the recording purpose, for the documentation purpose, we need to give instructions in entire class during the sessions only where all the students are available. So please be ready with your presentations in the next week, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday. And those who have not submitted their names, kindly submit it to Divyesh Kumar. Yeah, okay. Who's there in the Devesh group?
सर
Tell
जरी
me.
हिंदी में बोल दो।
Yeah, who's left in Devesh group? Tell me, I'll edit.
सर जरी हिंदी में बोल दो ने कई समझाતું નથી।
બહુ કઈ રીતે તો अरे व्हाट आई एम सेइंग, मैं क्या बोल रहा हूं कि जिसने अभी तक प्रेजेंटेशन के लिए अपना नाम नहीं लिखवाया है वो प्लीज अपना
हाँ
नाम जो है वो दिव्येश कुमार को या तो प्रियदर्शिनी को लिखवा देना विदाउट फेल।
ओके सर, थैंक यू सो मच।
आज के दिन ही, आज के दिन ही। और जिन लोगों ने अपना नाम लिखवा दिया है जिसका अपकमिंग वीक में
और कौन सा
प्रेजेंटेशन है,
प्रेजेंटेशन है सर?
हाँ मैं उसके नाम फिर से बता रहा हूँ, जिसका नेक्स्ट वीक में प्रेजेंटेशन
हाँ
है उसके नाम चैट
हाँ
बॉक्स में
सर,
भी
हाँ
है। और मैं फिर से बता रहा हूँ, प्रिंस, केवल,
हाँ सर,
रोमित, उर्विश, आनंद, आप लोगों का प्रेजेंटेशन 20 को रहेगा, नेक्स्ट ट्यूसडे को। ध्रुवित, पार्श्व, देवेश, विजयराज, लालाबाग आपका रहेगा 21 अप्रैल, दैट इज वेनेसडे, नेक्स्ट वेनेसडे को। छत्रपाल, हर्षराज, दिव्यराज, कुलदीप, मिशिल, खुशहाल आपका रहेगा 22 अप्रैल को, थर्सडे को। तो ये इतने प्रेजेंटेशन अभी हमारे पास एडवांस में है। तो इसके अलावा जिन लोगों ने अपना नाम किसी भी ग्रुप में नहीं लिखवाया है, मैं रिक्वेस्ट कर रहा हूं कि आप अपना नाम आज के दिन ही अर्जेंट बेसिस पे दिव्येश कुमार को या तो प्रियदर्शिनी भागुली को आप लोग लिखवा देना विदाउट फेल। आई होप इट इज
ओके
क्लियर
सर,
नाउ।
ओके ओके, क्लियर सर,
या थैंक यू।
थैंक यू, वेलकम।
Okay, I need to add one name in the Devesh group, Raj. Please
सर
be on
अटेंडेंस,
attendance.
यस
Yes, still the session is going on. Why you are worried about attendance? अभी सेशन तो चालू है बेटा, अटेंडेंस की क्यों टेंशन ले रहे हो अभी?
यस सर, ओके ओके ओके। मैंने सोचा कि अभी 12:30 को लेके मतलब लेक्चर खत्म होगा इसलिए।
12:40 को होता है बेटा, बट फिर
ओके
भी
सर,
आप अपना नाम और नंबर जो है वो चैट बॉक्स में लिख दो।
ओके सर, थैंक यू, थैंक यू।
Yeah, in the Devesh group, I need to add one name. I'm adding it. Raj. Raj Adroja. Yeah. Okay, class. So those who are absent, जैसे कि एक ग्रुप है पूरा जो एब्सेंट था और आज के प्रेजेंटेशन में भी एक बंदा एब्सेंट है, तो आई रिक्वेस्ट ऑल ऑफ देम टू कॉल मी पर्सनली। मुझे फोन करने का मैं बोल रहा हूँ जिन्होंने प्रेजेंटेशन नहीं दिया है। एक पूरा ग्रुप था एंड आज के प्रेजेंटेशन में मिहिर वो एब्सेंट था, तो आप प्लीज उसे बता देना टू कॉल मी पर्सनली एट इवनिंग।
सर उसकी तबीयत खराब है,
अच्छा, क्या हो गया उसको?
कोरोना सर।
अरे, तो उसके पास वो रिपोर्ट तो होगा कोरोना का।
यस।
हाँ, तो उसको बोलो मुझे फॉरवर्ड कर दे बेटा, व्हाट्सएप कर दे।
ओके।
tell him to WhatsApp me the corona report. Yeah, done students. So today we'll keep up to this only. That's it for the day. Thank you so much class. Enjoy your weekend. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.